In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications on Ticktick. If you're someone who relies on to-do lists to keep organized, notifications can be incredibly helpful to ensure you're always on top of your tasks. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Ticktick website. You can easily find it by typing Ticktick into your browser's search bar. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage, which offers an overview of the features that help keep your life in order. Now, to get to the notification settings, the initial step is to log into your account. So go ahead and click on the sign in option, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Once you've clicked sign in, you'll be prompted to choose a sign in method. For this guide, let's proceed with Google because it's one of the most straightforward and widely used options. Click on Google and a new window will pop up displaying your Google accounts. Here, you'll need to select your preferred account that you use for Ticktick. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one linked to the tasks and reminders you want notifications for. Now that you're signed in, you'll be taken to your personal dashboard. In the top left corner of the page, you'll notice your profile picture or icon. Go ahead and click on that to open the profile menu. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to move forward. With the settings menu open, look for the notifications option. It might be listed under various categories depending on how Ticktick structures their settings, but it's usually clearly labeled. Once you've found it, click on notifications. Now you're in the section where you can customize your notifications preferences. Here you want to enable the daily notifications feature. Turning this on will ensure you receive timely alerts every day, keeping you up to date with your tasks and to-dos. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully turned on notifications in Ticktick. This means you can now rely on daily reminders to prompt you about your tasks, making it much easier to stay organized and productive. Setting notifications is a small step that can have a significant impact on your workflow and productivity. Remember, notifications can help prevent tasks from slipping through the cracks and ensure you meet deadlines consistently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for keeping your life a little more organized. Feel free to explore other features Ticktick offers to maximize how you manage tasks. See you in the next video.